name is Peter Lee. So we're in Glencorrie, surrounded by farms, about 10 minutes out of the centre of Bowral. There was hesitation, yeah. Being a science teacher, I vowed to build a house with solar energy. Since then, I built the 2 houses and didn't put it in because of cost, but now it was available. But yeah, my hesitation was possibly getting ripped off. There's a lot of organisations out there that tell you many things. That was my major concern, was to actually get a company that worked. Powerbills were not huge, but they were significant. So it was about $570 a quarter. That's now gone down to nothing because our system is oversupplying at the moment. I looked online, as we all do, and checked out some reviews. I didn't actually speak to anybody who had experience with Lenergy. There were so many positive reviews, I just couldn't ignore that. Well, the first visit, when they came out, we sat outside, had a good chat. It was all very open. Whenever I asked a question, it was answered without hesitation, which was really cool. They didn't seem to be hiding anything, and it all made sense. I've got a technical background, so what was being said matched technically as well. And then when they came out and actually did the job, they came on the day that they said they were going to come. They turned up and they did a great job. And they're good people to have around too. We prefer not to have lots of difficult language and behaviour around here. It's a nice, pleasant place, and they were just wonderful. I already have, yeah, definitely recommended to others, and we'll do so again, yeah, for sure, because they're local as well, which is really helpful to us.